Let's make homemade almond roca. Set burner to medium heat and use a large, deep pot. Add 1 pound of butter and stir until melted. Then add 1/3 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of corn syrup. Use a spatula to get all the corn syrup out. Next, add 2 cups of sugar, then stir until incorporated. Stir and heat the mixture until the temperature reaches 290 degrees Fahrenheit or 143 Celsius. You will need to use a candy thermometer because the temperature needs to be pretty precise. Once the temperature is reached, turn off the heat, then add 1/2 cup of slivered almonds or chopped almonds and stir those in. Pour onto a buttered sheet pan and allow it to spread out evenly. Add about 11.5 ounces of chocolate chips, milk, dark or semi-sweet, then let it sit for about 5 minutes. Spread the melted chocolate chips with a spatula to cover the whole top of the toffee. Then sprinkle on 1/2 cup of chopped almonds. Press them down if needed with a spatula. Let sit for about an hour at room temperature until set. You can also place it in the fridge to set quicker. Use a butter knife to break it apart into several smaller pieces. Then serve. This makes a great gift for the holidays. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com.